What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a custom domain name to your Wix website. So let's get right to it. First, you need to know that in order to add a domain name to your Wix website, you need to subscribe to a paid plan or a premium plan on this specific website. So in here, as you can see, I have my Wix websites. So I'm signed into my Wix account, and these are my Wix websites. And as you can see, only one of them says premium because I subscribe to the premium plan only for this website. On any other free website that I create, it'll only give me like a random domain name generated by Wix that is free. However, if you want to add a custom domain name, you need to be subscribed to the premium plan on the Wix website. So for this video, I'll show you how to add a domain name purchased from domain.com. However, these steps are pretty much the same or are very similar on any other domain name provider, such as like Squarespace, Namecheap, Hostinger, or others. So here to add a domain name, I'll go here to my premium site that I want to add the custom domain name to. I'll click on this site. So it's my site 5. And it'll open up like the website's dashboard. I'll need to go here to settings, and then you want to go here to domains, and here it'll get me to the domains page. So I have here two options to buy a domain name from within the Wix website. So if I click on the option just to show you pretty quickly, and here in the search bar I'll just need to type in like my business name. So let's say my business name is How to Simple. Okay, hit search, hit go. And now it'll give me some recommendations such as .info, .org, .shop, .store, .com, and others. And I can click to get the domain name that I want right from within the Wix website. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. However, I'll just show you how to add a custom domain name that you already bought. So let's go back here. And now I'll click on add an existing domain. Notice that I already have a domain name connected to my Wix website that's from another domain name provider. However, you can add as many domain names as you want. That's one thing to note. So if you have like a How to Simple as your business name, and you want to purchase like a couple of domain names like .com, .tech, .online, .org, and stuff like that, so that no one else can like purchase these domain names with your business name on them, you can do so, and it'll be redirect any other domain name that you add will redirect your visitors to your primary domain. So here I'll add a domain. So click on add an existing domain, and here I can click on connect a domain that I already own or transfer a domain from it to Editor X. So here in this case I want to connect a totally new domain name that I already purchased. Click on this option, and now I'll need to paste in or add my domain name that I purchased. So I'll go to domain.com, and the domain that I have is howtosimple.space. So I'll just highlight it to select it, copy the domain name, and then paste it in this place right here, howtosimple.space, and then let's go. And it'll tell me that this domain name is taken. So don't be panicked because I'm the one, or of course, who purchased it. So all I need to do is to click on yes, I own this domain. So click on it, and it'll find the domain name provider. And then it found that the domain name was purchased from domain.com. So I'll just need to confirm it. If it's not a purchase at domain.com, you'll simply need to click no. However, I did purchase the domain on domain.com, so I'll just click yes. And then it'll give me like some info. So it will tell me that I only need to like do the steps or the steps needed to connect my domain name in 5 minutes or even less. However, it'll take up to 48 hours to fully connect the domain to my Wix website, and it'll go live. So you'll need to keep that in mind, that it might take up to 48 hours. Usually it takes less than that, but just one thing to keep in mind. So you need to be logged into your domain.com account. I'm already logged in, as you can see. So click on start, and it'll give you some like instructions. The process of connecting a domain name to Wix is pretty straightforward, and it like simplifies the steps into like small steps. So I already logged into domain.com. I did find my domain settings. Okay, and now I need to go to the DNS page. So here in my domain page right here, in my domain like dashboard, I'll just need to click here, go to the menu on the left. You can find here DNS and name servers. Just click on it. And here it'll tell me to add, okay, it logged me out for some reason. Just click on login. And I'll need to log in to access my domain info. So I'll do that pretty quickly. Okay, now back to the domain page. Go back to DNS and name service page. And here I have the name servers. So I'll just need to edit them. So Wix does show me. Okay, I found the name servers. So I'll need to change the default name servers here that are already added in the domain page. I'll just copy. Okay, it just restarted these steps. It does so every now and then. So just restart these steps. So copy the name server one and paste it here in the NS1. And then go here to name server one and then click on edit and highlight the name server one and then update name server. And it's updated. And here it tells you that it might take up to 48 hours to update. That's okay because I already know that. Okay, it restarted these steps. Now I'll need to copy the other name server, that's NS like 12, copy it and then paste it here in the name server 2 or NS2. Click on the three dots, click edit, and then highlight the old one, paste the new, update name server. And again, it tells you that it's it'll take up to 48 hours to the changes to take effect. And now all you need to do is to go back to domain, to your Wix website, sorry. I've replaced the domains or the name servers, sorry. Now it's verifying the connection. And now it says that your part is done because that's what I did. I did the setup process, and now all I need to have, or I have to do, is to wait to for the connection to take effect. It'll be finished in connecting by the Saturday, February 17th. Today is the 15th, so it will take like 2 days as they said. And I can track the connection status in the domains page. So let's go to the domains page to check. Now remember that I already had one domain, that's howtosimple.tech. That was my primary domain. So if you go to the domains page, and now here I have my primary domain, that's howtosimple.tech, and the howtosimple.space that I added from domain.com is now like in the domain check step. And here I'll just need to wait, and I can go to the domain page at any time to check on the connection status. So that's pretty much all you have to do to connect your custom domain name, in this case botbydomain.com. However, just note that for any other domain name provider, it's like the same process.